You can apply here also the string functions in that functions library. Now see here, if I try to see this data, if I go for this data view mode, car sales, okay. Now if I view the data, see I see the name of the manufacturer, because we are trying to explore the string function here. So it is like this, the field is a starts with a and then small letters. Now what I can do, again go to the calculated field here, say I will write the caps, the manufacturer say. So what you have to do is only select the variable, or say I will make it as upper function, that is a string function which I am trying to apply here. I select this and then I select the variable as manufacturer, okay, and then it is saying it is valid, so I apply it and make it okay. Now if I put it here, say, so it has made all those names as a in capital one. You can similarly may make it to the lower one and so on. So you can apply so many field functions here. So this is the list of the different functions which you can apply depending on your requirement, and then use the Tableau.